I've spent my life gazing at the stars, but nothing could have prepared me for this cosmic visitor. Right now, racing through our solar system is a massive alien object from another star system. This interstellar wanderer, known as 3I/Atlas, is rewriting everything we thought we knew about our cosmic neighborhood. Brace yourself for an extraordinary journey that will take us to the edge of our solar system and beyond, unveiling secrets of the universe we never imagined possible. On July 1st, 2025, astronomers in Chile's Atacama Desert made a discovery that would change our understanding of the cosmos forever. Using a remote telescope, they spotted an object unlike anything we'd seen before. 3I/Atlas, as it was designated, is a colossal 9-mile-wide comet that has traveled for millions of years across the void between stars to reach us. It's the largest and brightest interstellar object ever discovered, dwarfing its predecessors Oumuamua and Borisov. This comet follows a hyperbolic trajectory with an eccentricity of 6.2. In simpler terms, it's on a one-way trip through our solar system, completely unbound by our sun's gravity. Currently within Jupiter's orbit, about 323 million miles from Earth, 3I/Atlas is hurtling towards the sun at mind-boggling speeds. At its closest approach on October 29th, it'll be traveling at an astonishing 152,000 miles per hour. To put that in perspective, you could circle the Earth 6 times in just 1 hour at that speed. What sets 3I/Atlas apart isn't just its size or speed, it's what it carries with it. This cosmic wanderer bears chemical signatures from another star system, potentially holding clues about planetary formation and possibly even life elsewhere in the galaxy. It's like a time capsule from a distant part of our universe, delivered right to our cosmic doorstep. As 3I/Atlas races towards the sun, it's developing a glowing coma and tail, creating a spectacular celestial show. This display isn't just beautiful, it's incredibly informative. The comet's tail is made up of gas and dust being shed as it heats up, giving us a unique opportunity to study material from beyond our solar system. The arrival of 3I/Atlas has triggered a global race against time in the astronomical community. We're scrambling to study this rare cosmic visitor before it disappears forever into the depths of space. Every day brings new data, new insights, and new questions about our place in the universe. Unfortunately, 3I/Atlas is moving too fast for any of our spacecraft to intercept. So we're relying on our most advanced telescopes and instruments to gather as much information as possible during its brief visit. Every bit of data we gather from 3I/Atlas is precious, potentially holding the key to some of the biggest questions in astronomy. The comet's enormous size gives us an unprecedented opportunity to study interstellar material in detail. Its surface may have been sculpted by impacts in its home star system, while its interior could preserve pristine material from the molecular cloud where it formed. Each observation, each spectrum, each image brings us closer to understanding our cosmic origins. With new telescopes like the Vera Rubin Observatory coming online, we estimate that we'll be able to detect about 7 interstellar objects passing near our sun each year. These mysterious visitors from other star systems will become increasingly common, revolutionizing our understanding of the cosmos and opening up new frontiers of exploration. As 3I/Atlas continues its journey through our solar system, it leaves behind a trail of discovery and wonder. This cosmic wanderer has opened our eyes to the vastness and diversity of our universe.